Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. If you are new here, if today is your first time coming to my channel, you are welcome. My name is Fumi, and to all my returning subscribers, you are all welcome. I love and I appreciate you guys so much. Today I want to be showing you guys how I make this delicious yummy Gizdodo. Just look at it. It is so delicious. My family love it so much. You can eat it with jollof rice, fried rice, even with white rice. It is so good. If you are not yet subscribed, Abba, what are you waiting for? Subscription is free now. Please subscribe for more delicious, interesting recipes like this. We cook a lot here in this house. So if you want to learn more how to cook African food, please subscribe to this channel. You will not regret it. Thank you very much for subscribing. These are the ingredients I will be using for my Gizdodo today. Here I have gizzard, I have vegetable oil, thyme, curry powder, ginger powder, 2 chicken seasoning cubes, salt, and here I have 2 red bell pepper and sweet red pepper, 2 fresh pepper, 2 garlic, 2 onions, and 2 ripe plantain. This plantain is not overripe, it's just that it was in the fridge. That's why the skin is a little bit dark. I'm going to start with cooking the gizzard. So I have a pot on the stove. I'll be adding the gizzard. I have also sliced 1 onion, so I'll be adding part of it. I'll be using the rest later. And I'll be adding some ginger, thyme, and also some curry powder. I will also be adding 1 of the chicken cubes, and salt, and I will give it a stir. I'm not going to be adding any water. I will just allow it to cook on its own. So I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook until it's done. While the gizzard is cooking, I'm going to be blending the peppers. After grinding and slicing my bell peppers, I'm going to be frying the dodo, the ripe plantain. My oil is hot now, so I will be frying the plantain. So I'll be adding little salt to the plantain. Then I'll transfer it into the hot oil. And I will allow it to fry until it's golden brown. My plantain is fried, so I will be transferring it into a plate. And my gizzard is also done now, so I will also be transferring it into a bowl. I've placed my pot back on the stove. I'm going to be adding some oil to fry the gizzard. My oil is hot now, so I'm going to be frying the gizzard. So I will just fry the gizzard until it's golden brown. So the gizzard is fried. I'm going to transfer it into a bowl. With the same oil I used in frying the gizzard, I'm going to be frying the sauce because the gizzard has released this flavor into the oil. I'm going to be adding the onions and the garlic. I'll be adding some thyme and salt, and I will allow it to saute for a while. The onions has been sauteing for a while now, so I'll be adding the blend peppers. And I'll be adding some ginger and some curry powder and some of the gizzard stock and the remaining seasoning cube and salt. Now cover. I will allow it to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. The sauce has been cooking for about 7 minutes now, so I'm going to be adding the gizzard. And I will also be adding the sliced bell pepper. I will allow it to cook for about 2 minutes before adding the fried plantain. The sauce has been cooking for a while now, so I'm going to be adding the fried plantain. And I will also be adding some spring onions. These are frozen. You can use fresh spring onions. And I will allow it to cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Then my food is done. Yes, my Gizdodo is done. Just look at this yummy goodness. It is so delicious. You can have it with rice, fried rice, jollof rice, or even with white rice. This gizzard and dodo is so delicious. Give it a try. I know you and your family will love it. It is so good. Thank you very much, guys, for spending your time with me today in my kitchen. Thank you very much. I appreciate. For more delicious and interesting recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell that anytime I upload a new video, that you will be the first to be notified. Please like this video. Leave your comment in the comment section below. Share to your family and loved ones. Thank you very much. God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.